Welcome to Babunga's channel. Let's make this simple paper mache fake cake. Some circles of carton paper and some strips of carton paper are tools. We roll like that to force the carton paper to curve. We join 2 or more carton strips to have enough for the larger perimeters. And then we use masking tape to secure from the inside. We staple the ends and we add the other large circle, just placing it there and securing it with a little tape. It's like a closed drum. We do about the same thing with the other 2 circles, the medium and the small, only we don't make closed drums, because we don't need to. Now let's assemble the cake. Use a little masking tape to steady it and let's proceed to paper mache layering. Cover everything, being careful not to let any air trapped between the carton paper and the newspaper dipped in glue. Apply 2 layers of this and then let it dry. Work like this using either newspaper or glossy magazine paper to create tiny spiral decorations. These we're going to add to the cake. Roll tightly and then loosen it a little bit before you tape the end to secure it. If you like this pattern, then make many of these and using a little bit of white wood glue, attach them where you want them on the cake. On this project I'm not gonna use any other material for decoration, not even paper mache clay, just simple paper mache. We can make more decoration using strips of carton paper with a wavy cut. Again, you can join many of them to create enough to go around the base and make some for the top of the cake if you want. As I said before, I'm not gonna use any other material, so the rose on top of my cake is going to be cut from carton paper, first like this, and then remove little triangles under the corners like this, and then join the triangle lines to create a general curve. Secure this curve and roll loosely to make something like a rose. Tape to hold the shape, and why not cut some leaves also? Complete the top decoration and any other decorations and carefully cover all the new additions with a layer of paper mache. The rose is a little bit difficult to cover, but it can be done. Last touch for our cake is of course some cherries. Tiny newspaper balls dipped in glue and worked a little bit to become as round as possible, and then add wherever you like. Let everything dry, paint white, and then have fun painting your cake. And this was how to make a paper mache fake cake.